Hi, I'm Dr. Rob with Pediatric Dentistry of Sunset Hills in Wentzville. I just want to give you a quick tour of our office, so come on in. When you first come into our office, you'll see our waiting room. As you can see, it's pretty kid-friendly and parent-friendly. We've got a fish tank here. We have a TV that the kids can watch. We also have some iPads over here the kids can play with while they're waiting to be seen. And then we'll come on back through this door. This office sort of has an ocean theme to it. As you can see, it's decorated to be fun and exciting for the kids. You can see we have fish on the walls and dolphins and whales. And this is the room, this is our office where Dr. Joe and I see patients and talk to parents. We do our lap exams in this room, and we also just discuss our findings with parents. This is the main area of the office. This is where patients are seen. As you can see, it's very open. There are lots of chairs. We like to keep it pretty simple here and easy for the kids to get around and know where to go. Once the appointment's over, this is our little game area where the kids can come and play, and they can get their prizes here. They can play on the iPads. Then we also have a TV, as you can see, and we have movies playing so that kids can watch movies while they're waiting. We have two x-ray rooms. This is the first one where we take one type of x-ray, and then this is our second one right here. We have two treatment chairs. One of them's right here. They're both equipped with televisions, as you can see, so when the kids are getting their teeth worked on, they can relax and watch a show. The second treatment chair is in this room right here, which is a little bit more private, but also, like I said, equipped with the TV. And that's essentially it. So thanks for coming on the tour with us, and we hope to see you soon.